Hey, hi everyone. So again we have this 5 important question series, and if you see this series, we have today 5 important topics. First is agrivoltaic farming, then we have the concept of the ad hoc judges in the High Court, then we have the polar vortex, and then we have the power of the center and state on the making laws of the concurrent list, and we have hypersonic missiles. Now the if you see here, the best way to learn prelims question and to learn the factual statement, to understand the question, the best way is true or false. Okay, because when we put true or false, it simply means like you are getting simple statement in the prelims examination, and when you get the 4 option, it will become very easy for you. So when you learn, this is a very unique approach I have developed. It's kind of very effective for the students who want to learn the prelims examination, और इससे आपका एक kind of concept build up बहुत अच्छा होता है. Okay, so when you see here, the very first question says the agrivoltaic farming is the practice of growing crops underneath solar panels. True or false? Okay, now if you see the second question, it says do shade tolerant crops are applicable under this farming. Now most of you will think that like this is very kind of out of the context question or something which is not very relevant, but when you see the actually the practice of agrivoltaic, what we are seeing underneath the solar panels, we are giving the trees. Okay, this is open field and this is agrivoltaic. Now exactly when you see here, you will understand what exactly the question is. The shade tolerant crops, it is more effective for the shade tolerant crops. So for the crops which needs lot of sunlight, if the question comes which crops are suitable for agrivoltaic farming, so you will see the crops which needs lot of sunlight, that will not be suitable for this. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ रहे हो? दैट्स वाई वी हैव आस्क्ड यू दैट शेड टॉलरेंट क्रॉप्स इसके अंदर एप्लीकेबल है कि नहीं. ना शेड टॉलरेंट में आप देखो कि मच ग्रीनर, यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा है, लाइक इट विल डीपर ग्रीन एंड इवेपोरेशन भी लेस होगा, सो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट ज्यादा रहेगा, रिटेन करेगा एग्रीवोल्टेक में. Okay, so this is a very important feature of agrivoltaic. So definitely if you see here the second question, the shade tolerant crops are, yes, it is applicable. Okay, वैसे ही आप देखो, does Kusum scheme promotes the adoption of the agrivoltaic farming? Definitely you know the Kusum scheme. किसी को अगर याद नहीं आ रहा तो I think like this is not good. You should remember Kusum scheme. We have covered kind of in the questions, the daily quizzes also and the test series. तो ये सारे questions का format है for this agrivoltaic. Similarly, we have ad hoc judges, polar vortex and all. So students, I will recommend you that definitely you solve these questions. Again, we have this ad hoc judges का question in the form of true and false, and you must solve this question at any cost. Okay, so 5 topics per day, 5 days, 25 topics per week. It will be very effective learning. So keep solving, keep learning prelims with gold tie.